West NIAS, situated at the Indian Ocean of the North Sumatra province. Has been awakened as one of tourist destinations waiting to be developed. West NIAS, the new developing regency on the island of NIAS, about 60 kilometers away from the airport of Binaca to the center of the regency. Ancient culture in the land of 1,000 megalithic stones. Magnificent oval-shaped traditional houses stand still across the ages.
But it flew away from her reach, so she ran away in her sleep.
Beautiful land with its friendly local people.
Paradise. Every time she closed her eyes.
Here, the ancient is always short trip away, always reminding us.
She expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching teeth.
West NIAS archipelagos, extremely rich sea life.
Butterfly, every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes.
Mesmerizing white sandy beaches,
The way she flies.
abundant coconut trees along the coast. And heaven for divers to experience marine biodiversity.
So lying underneath those stormy skies, she said, "Oh, I know this."
Challenging wave for world-class surfers. Beautiful colors of the sunrise and sunsets. This is West NIAS, amazing culture and lovely sea. Wonderful Indonesia.